We have the another type of also condition, that's called, if suppose I want to check a dates, I can check that. Even we have the another condition also, if suppose I want to check a duplicate values, means like over here a John two times are coming, so I want to check where is exactly the duplicate value, we can check that. Okay, it is interesting, let me show. I'm selecting this, going to the condition, see over here duplicates value, you can see where exactly duplicates, you can show that. Okay, let me say cancel. After that, in condition we have the another condition also, suppose I want to check which numbers is from from bottom five numbers, I want to check who is the from bottom five, I want to check how many percentage is bottom five, so we can do that. See how we can do that. Suppose I want to check over here numbering. Okay, going to the conditions bottom, see first one items, if suppose I want to check for bottom, how I want to check a 3 from bottom, see it will be bottom, it will be counting from bottom 10 9 8. See how is it we can do that. Okay, now inside of conditions we have the another bars also, if suppose I want to check via bar, see its bar is representing like what is inside of my number, one is smaller, two is bigger, three is bigger, so bigger, my sales are feeling like that. Okay, let me do undo again. Even inside of we have the different. Okay, in bar there are different color also. In colors we have the like color types, it's like a set, one is more dark, after that we it will be going a light, so we have the present in conditions via color also. Okay, after that we have the if suppose we have in trading and something kind of stuff, we have the icons, same as it is we can put the icons also. The 1 2 3 is lower, so it will be showing the down. 4 5 6 7, it's like in the middle, so it will be showing like a this type of bar. And after that you can see over here 8 9 10, it's like a greater than, that's why it's showing the upside of bar. So this is we can present into a indicate like in a this format also, what icon format. Okay, even you can create your own new rule also. After that we have the format as a table. Format as a table also we can use for, if suppose I want to apply any condition but in a table format. Okay, let me do how we can do that. See suppose I'm taking this one, it's why it's okay. First let me select it, that first table full, selecting whole table. Okay, now going to the table format as a table, let me click over here. Okay, and apply. So right now my table is in table format. Suppose I want to apply in a serial numbers. See, I'm going over here and I want to apply, want to, it's already is right now in serial number 1 2 3, but I want to check from bottom. You can see there is option Z to A. Sort a largest to the small. So you can see it's right now from the top 10 9 8 7, like a counting from the bottom. Even you can see the whatever the counting is there, it will be changed also full row via whatever previously we have. You can see over here, if suppose I want to again A to Z, like you can see John 1 1 2 is assigning what John and Mark. When the position will be a change, even the rows also the change. See the all rows are changing via whatever I'm applying that the condition. Okay, suppose I let me apply re again. Now suppose I want to check how many from software developers. Okay, I want to check that. Just go over here. See there is option in a down selected. See right now my all mark are selected. I want to remove that. See, I don't want a marketings. I don't want software. Okay, I want software developer. I don't want finance. I don't want testers. Okay, let me say okay. You can see right now it's showing me only a software developers who are, and even the related the data like what is the name, what is the salaries, hikes, and phone numbers and blood group likewise. Okay, this is what option a format as a table. Now last option we already needed, this is called a color cell. If suppose I want to change my change my cell color, we can do that. Only this option is left. This is all about a styling. Why the gave name as a style? Because when we are applying any condition, we are converted into a table format. Even we are changing the style, it will be what applying only a color. That's why the name are they gave what style. Okay, again we have the another something, so let me remove that filter. How we can remove? Just go to the undo. I don't want a table, I want a normal format. Okay, now suppose we have the cell group. Cell group, why we are using? If suppose I want to apply any extra cell, or if suppose I want to apply any extra columns or row, we can do that. How we can do that? We have the cell option. Let me explain. I am over here. Okay, suppose I want to extra cell only. Okay, say insert cell. Okay, I am selecting whole column. Let me go over here only. Suppose I want only a one cell. I'm selecting over here that particular cell where I want to apply. Just go over here, insert cell only. See, let's click insert cell. Now where I want to pull that data, because when I'm applying, something kind of extra cell, there is a data also. So where I want to pull this data, this whatever data is remaining, see there is an option shift cells into the down, means you can see whatever the new cell is applying and whatever the previously cells I have, it will be pushed down. Okay, even if suppose I want to remove that, click that particular cell, go over here in delete, we have a delete option also, and just say delete cell. So when we are deleting, you can see right now data I have what in downside. I want to pull that data, shift that data into upside again, right? So you can see right now I deleted that particular cell also, and I pull my data into up also. Okay. Again, if suppose I want to use like over here, I want to use like a row wise. Okay. I'm selecting over here, just say insert cell. I want to pull right now data into what, which side? A right hand side, right? So let's go as it is, click, because right now it's already selected the shift cells into right side. Just say okay, you can see my cells is right side. And if I want to again delete, see delete it there is a delete option. Click over here. I want to shift again to the left side. See left side first option is already selected. Right now again that cell will be deleted. Now you guys having a confusing in your mind. Suppose I want a full row and column, how we can do that? See, suppose I'm selecting this full column, how we can select column, already, just choose abcd. Abcd is always indicated via my column. Okay, just click over here and apply to the insert. You can see it will be apply full column. If suppose I want to apply row, I'm choosing 1 2 3 for row purpose, right? Click that over there and just say insert. You can see extra columns and row are merge over here. Okay, now suppose I want to delete that, how we can delete that? Just select again whatever you are applied. See, I'm applied this d column extra, just say delete, it will be a delete. Here I five row I executed, just say delete. You can say it's a deleted. So this is about the cell. Now we have the another also, that's called a editing are always help me edit something. Okay, like how, let me do that. Why it's right now my data in not middle. Now everything is middle. Suppose I want to do a sum. There is what sum option. If suppose I want to calculate this stuff, see, I'm selecting all whatever I want to calculate. See, selecting this salary. Okay, going over here and doing sum. You can see it's automatically sum are applied. Okay, if suppose I'm changing any number inside of that, it will be what a changing down also. Okay, see, it's a down also changing automatically. So this is the way we can do a calculation. There is, we have the sum, average, count, maximum, minimum number, we can do that also. And in depth we are learning into formula group how exactly is do that. Okay, now suppose sometime we need to copy that data. How we can copy that data? Right side, left side. See, go over here. Suppose I want to copy this data. Okay, I'm selecting over here. I go over here. This is called what? Let me see the name. Feel something. The name is why it's not name came. Field. Name is field. Okay. I want this all a left side of, column. I want to repeat it. See, there is a way, right. See, when I'm clicking, it will be automatically copy that column easily. Okay. If suppose I want over here, see, let me select it 11. Okay. Let me go to the 12 row, and I want a 11 row repeated. So there is option C, fill. I want to and down. See, it will be filled down at it. Means that much of easy to fill. Sometime I do not need to use a copy paste option. Lot of again we have the clear cell. Means if suppose I'm applying something and I want to remove that stuff, we can do that. Suppose I'm applying color. Okay, let me do a color over here, and I want to remove that. See, there is a one remove all, so it will be oh, not, I don't want to remove all. Okay, I want to do what? Clear format. See, when we am saying clear